What happens to your body when you drink bone broth every day? Bone broth has been used for thousands of years by human beings, and it played a key role in strengthening our bones, joints, and even grip strength as we evolved. This nutrient-rich liquid is made by slowly simmering animal bones in water for at least 24 hours, extracting essential minerals, collagen, and amino acids. Nowadays, people are drinking it for better digestion, for strengthening up their joints, their bones, and so much more. In this video, we'll be looking at the powerful effects of drinking bone broth daily, and also an easy recipe to make this yourself at home. Benefit 1 is helps heal the gut lining. If you feel bloating, loose stools, or discomfort after eating, your gut lining may be weakened. This happens when the protective barrier in your intestines becomes irritated or inflamed, allowing unwanted food particles to enter the bloodstream, which may be linked to digestive problems. Now, bone broth is rich in collagen and glutamine, which both help repair and reinforce the intestinal walls. This allows food to digest more smoothly whilst reducing bloating, irritation, and discomfort. This is why many people make bone broth a part of their daily routine for better gut health and digestion. 2. Joint support. To keep your joints strong and flexible, your body needs collagen and other raw materials to support them. Bone broth is one of the best natural sources of collagen, which has been broken down into amino acids. These are much easier for your body to absorb and to use to maintain healthy joints, ligaments, cartilage, tendons, and connective tissues. It also provides chondroitin and glucosamine, which can help to lubricate the joints. Many people with stiff joints or arthritis drink bone broth twice per day to support their joints. Later, I'll highlight the best types of bone broth, amounts, and a simple recipe. Benefit number 3 of this is strengthening bones. Historically, humans consumed the entire animal from nose to tail to get all of the essential nutrients that they needed. Animal bones are inherently rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and collagen. These are the same nutrients that help to strengthen and maintain the bones in our own bodies. Slowly simmering bones releases these nutrients into the broth, making them easier for your body to absorb for its own bone strength and density. Benefit 4. Smoother skin and anti-aging. Collagen is also one of the most important proteins for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and youthful in appearance. It works like a type of scaffolding, providing the framework that holds your skin in place. Drinking bone broth regularly supplies the body with collagen along with hyaluronic acid, a compound that keeps skin hydrated and plump. It also has glycine and proline, which help to form elastin, keeping the skin flexible, firm, and more resistant to wrinkles and sagging. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on so that I can keep you updated with the latest health and nutrition tips. Benefit number 5 of this is boosting the immune system. By supporting a healthy gut, bone broth helps to nourish friendly bacteria called probiotics. These microbes live in the mucus layer of your intestines, and they help your body absorb more nutrients from food. Since over 70% of your immune system is located in the gut, keeping these bacteria balanced is absolutely essential. Drinking bone broth regularly helps to maintain a strong gut environment, along with prebiotic-rich foods like nutritional yeast, sauerkraut, and fermented pickles. 6. Helps fight colds. For centuries, people have turned to chicken soup and bone broth as a natural remedy for colds. It's not just the immune benefits that help the body to recover, but also the glycine, proline, and cysteine, which can help thin out mucus and reduce inflammation in the airways. Bone broth is easier to digest than heavy proteins like meat when you're feeling unwell, and it helps to keep you hydrated while providing zinc and magnesium to support immune function. Personally, I sip on homemade bone broth stew when I'm feeling a bit under the weather. 7. Supporting the elderly. As I just mentioned, bone broth is easier to digest than other forms of protein, making it an excellent choice for elderly people who may struggle with eating a larger meal. Bone broth provides over 19 amino acids, which the body readily absorbs and uses for repair, helping to maintain strength and vitality at any age in life. 8. Detoxification support. Every day of our lives, we're exposed to toxins, pesticides, and heavy metals from food, water, and the environment. Your liver works very hard to filter out these harmful substances, but it does need the right nutrients so that it can function properly. Bone broth provides glycine and glutathione building compounds. These help support the liver's natural detox processes and keep it working efficiently and normally. Benefit 9 is improved nail and hair growth. Collagen is one of the key building blocks for thicker hair, stronger nails, and also youthful skin. As I said before, it has glycine, proline, and arginine, which support healthy hair follicles and promote stronger, faster growing nails. Arginine in particular plays a role in boosting blood flow to the hair follicles and the nail bed, helping to deliver key nutrients for growth and strength. Many people notice that their hair feels fuller and their nails are growing faster after drinking bone broth frequently. This is why collagen supplements have become so popular, but bone broth is more of a natural, whole food alternative. Benefit 10 is strengthening muscles. Bone broth is also an excellent choice to support muscle recovery and growth after exercising. Its rich supply of amino acids, particularly glutamine, helps repair muscle tissue and reduce inflammation. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts use bone broth as a staple in their routines. For an extra boost, some people also like to add a pinch of baking soda to help neutralize lactic acid that tends to build up inside the muscles and make them sore. Together, these can both help you to get more out of your workouts and support faster recovery and muscle growth. If you include a bit of sea salt when making your bone broth, you'll also get extra electrolytes which support hydration as well. 11. Heart and circulation support. The walls of your arteries and blood vessels are made up of collagen, which can deteriorate as we age. But the collagen in bone broth can help to strengthen these blood vessel walls and improve circulation. By supporting better circulation, bone broth may also help to reduce inflammation in the arteries, which is the key for maintaining normal blood pressure and good overall health. Additionally, bone broth contains some potassium and magnesium, which are both essential for a healthy heart. 12. Better sleep and relaxation. The glycine in bone broth has been shown to help calm the brain and improve sleep quality as well. By relaxing the nervous system, it may help you to fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful sleep through the night. Drinking bone broth an hour before bed can reduce insomnia, making it easier to unwind. Alternatively, you may try lemon balm tea, which is my personal favourite sleep remedy as a natural soothing option. How to make bone broth. Take 2 pounds of beef, chicken or fish bones, preferably with the joints and the marrow, 10 cups of filtered water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of sea salt. In a large pot or slow cooker, add the bones, water and the vinegar and simmer this on low heat for at least 24 hours. The longer that you stew it, the better. You can do it up to 48 hours for maximum nutrient extraction. Skim off any of the foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first few hours of simmering. About halfway through, add the sea salt and any herbs that you wish to enhance the flavour. Once fully simmered, strain to remove solids and bones and store it in the fridge for up to 5 days. I suggest drinking 1 cup a day for general wellness and gut health, or 2 cups a day for more intense joint, muscle or immune support. Store-bought bone broth. Alternatively, you can purchase ready-made liquid bone broth in cartons from health food stores. It's best to choose bone broth that's made from pasture-raised, grass-fed organic animal bones for the best effects. You can also get powdered bone broth and add it to your food without needing to drink it. Bone broth versus collagen peptides. People often ask me whether it's better to take collagen peptides or use bone broth. Collagen peptides are a bit more concentrated and more easily absorbed by your body, delivering a more direct collagen boost. However, bone broth is a whole food that provides a full spectrum of nutrients, including collagen, hyaluronic acid, chondroitin, glucosamine, and a range of different minerals. So if your goal is improved overall health, gut support, and joint lubrication, I'd recommend bone broth. But collagen peptides may be a better choice if you're trying to target skin health or you want to add it to a protein shake. Both of these have their place, but bone broth is a more holistic, nutrient-rich option that personally I prefer. Previously, I mentioned that adding a little baking soda to your broth can also have extra benefits for muscle recovery and exercise performance. If you'd like a bit more information on that, tap on the video that's on your screen now. Thank you so much for watching another of my videos, and I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.